Hello guys, Unidentified Babo here. Currently we're at JFK Airport in New York City, New York. And today we're going to be flying JetBlue on their A321 down to Orlando MCO airports. Yes, I did promise I would do an airline vlog, and here we are doing it. Some plane spotting. We're at Terminal 5 right here at JFK. A lot of walking. Here's my luggage. So yeah. Oh, I-711, if you're watching this, when I was at my gate, I found an Iceland Air Cargo 767 for you. Okay. Oh, I was plane spotting and I found a Korean Air 747, which is my favorite plane and airline. I also plane spotted other planes as well.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't.
So of course they had a gate change, of course. Yeah, we're currently at, we're somewhere like gate 12. Now, before we board, I want to tell you more about the airline. The airline has mixed reviews on TripAdvisor, and so two people I took. Now, before we board, I want to tell you more about the airline. The airline has mixed reviews on TripAdvisor, and so two people I took said that their anniversary trip got ruined because of the airline's accountability and delays, and that they were a joke, while other people said it was a safe and happy airline and they had the positive experience.
Stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through? For you, for you.
Time to test the comfortability of the seat. Bottom cushion is really soft and comfortable. The back cushion was on the stiffer side though. Legroom seems decent. Next thing I noticed that there was IFE screens, which is kind of rare to find on a domestic flight. Good, the tray table isn't stuck. The seat back pouch has all sorts of the safety equipment for the Airbus A321, as well as the menu in the barf bag. The tray table seems to be in mint condition. And yes, the seat does recline, but however, there is someone who is behind me and I do not really want to bother them, so I will keep my seat upright for the entirety of this flight. Here's the safety pamphlet from the pouch. The IFE screen has a vast selection of movies and TV shows, including Barbie. And soon we were finally taking off. also was able to find my flight on Flight Radar 24. Since snack was beginning soon, I decided to check out the tray table, which was in good condition, as I said earlier. Then I decided to check out the Eat Up menu. I like the fact that JetBlue has a vast selection of complimentary snacks and drinks. I'm going to decide to go with the Pepsi and Pop Chips. Good timing though, because the flight attendant was coming down for their in-flight services. On this airline, drinks and snacks come separately, so I ordered a Pepsi. I gave a cheers to the window, and a cheers to my fans. Refreshing. Food cart came shortly, and of course I ordered the Pop Chips. Yes, they were good. Right now we're about like 2 hours into this flight, and we're about an hour and 22 minutes away from landing at Orlando. So far the flight is going pretty well. I mean, I did everything and all, so yeah, it's gonna be soon before we begin our descent. But yeah, let's make it through the rest of this flight. So before we began our descent, I took the excuse and decided to use the restroom. No, I did not record myself taking a crap or piss. I promise. I'm only in here to measure the headroom. Which seems to be fine. So I just received the announcement from the captain that we have begun our initial descent. Currently we're somewhere like in the Atlantic Ocean area. As you can see a ton of blue. But yeah, we've been in the sky for a while. We have 27 minutes left until arrival. So yeah. Just so you know, my tray table's stowed away and everything, the seats upright, everything. And to be honest, JetBlue is actually a good airline. I recommend it. But we still gotta see the landing to see how smooth it is. Yes, this is what the coast of Florida looks like. I will be posting the full descent and landing footage on YouTube too. The landing wasn't entirely smooth, but at least it wasn't like FedEx Flight 80. We are now at MCO Orlando Airport, and now is my entire review on the flight. Outstanding experience on B6-183. I was flying JetBlue Flight 183 from JFK to MCO. Service was outstanding, snacks were amazing, the IFE screen had a vast selection of movies and TV shows, legroom was excellent since I'm 5'7", and the seats were comfy. Though the landing was not the smoothest of all, I still think JetBlue was a positive experience. I am doing a YT review, so subscribe to Unidentified Babo. Now that concludes my video for today, the big vlog that I was waiting to do. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe to Unidentified Babo. Make sure to hit that bell for notifications, and I will see you in the next one.